All right, part 4. In our last tutorial, what we did is we copied one of these pieces and we pasted it, and they do whatever the other one does. So once again, as a quick refresh, if I say, geez, this one over here, right, um, I don't want it the same as that one, then we have to have a complete separate component. All right, so if I go back to this original sketch, and again, I change this back to, 2.5, right, hit enter, click finish sketch, and you're going to notice both pieces did the same thing. Okay, we're going to join these now. Okay, joining, pretty straightforward. You come up to assemble. Okay, there's a whole bunch of things in here, but we're just going to go joint. Okay, or we can use J for joint as well. And we're going to come in here, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to pick the center of this one. This is where things are going to differ every time you do something. So I can join from a corner, from a center. I can join the middle of something. Okay, so I'm actually, let's just join the middle of it. We're going to take this one. I'm going to hold the shift key down, and it basically goes dark so you can actually find the next spot. And we're going to find, oh, there's the center bit. And we're going to click on it. The two go together, and we hit OK. There's the first two joined, right? And then same thing, we hit J for the joint. We come up to this one. We go, let's find the center of that one. Okay, we're going to scroll over to here, and we're going to find the center of that one. Oh, now the components you select are rigidly joined. Okay, so if I hit continue, right, and we hit OK, okay, you see how they didn't join, right? So what happens sometimes is you got to go back in the tree and see what's going on. So if we look, there's a little anchor here and there's an anchor there. I mean, and these anchors, okay, it says grounded to, it says here if I hold there, cherry outside is grounded to the test piece tutorial. I don't want it grounded. So I'm going to right mouse click so I can move it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to unground from parent. Okay, oh, look, it worked all of a sudden, right? This one was grounded as well, right? Because I copied it. So I ungrounded it and then it moved all of a sudden. Okay, so just know sometimes you have to unground things so they can actually move, right? And there's our joined pieces now, right? That's all joining is. Now, if I undo these things, okay, and let's say I wanted this piece on top of this piece. Well, what I would do is go J for join, right? And I'd take the center of this one, and I'd go find the center of this one, right? And then it would go and do that, right? And hit OK, right? And you notice that this one, there's an anchor, okay, which means this one was anchored to the parent, which is the environment we're working with, okay? And that's why this one moved to there. So you got to think about this sometimes. When you ground things, okay, or when they're grounded, you got to make sure that the piece that you want in the right orientation is grounded to the environment, and then everything goes back to that, right? So I hope that makes sense. We're going to undo this one. Once again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece, I'm going to unground it because it's the third piece, and that means that this piece, this piece, and this piece are all going to come together to this one, right? So watch this, J for join, right? Once again, I'm going to pick this one and this one. Okay, they go together. You hit OK. That worked fine. And then J for join again. Okay, and we're going to pick this one the center and pick this one the center. And they move, but watch when I hit OK, they're all going to slide back this way. Okay, there we go, because that is the one that's grounded. And that is how you join things, right? So once again, data panel here opened up. You can see this is version 2. When I click on save, okay, and OK, you're going to watch it save. Okay, upload in progress means it's uploading to the cloud. Okay, and now you have version 3. Right? So at any point in time, we can go back, okay, to version 1. Okay, so let's go back to version 1. Right? And apparently version 1 doesn't, oh, we got to hit the open sign there, right there. Okay, and we can actually go back to version 1 and work from version 1 and save it again. So that's kind of a cool feature. So if you mess up down the road, you can always go back, right? And once again, that's kind of what we do, and we go from there. Okay, and we're going to stop at this tutorial.